Rivers State APC Congresses CØÖRT halts Minister of Transportation's 2023 presidential ambition. Hello everyone, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, or depending on the time we're reaching you guys. Welcome back to our channel. We really appreciate you for your support and all you do for this channel. Rivers APC have been going through a lot of crises. We know 2023 is very connected. It's one of the reasons behind the division and the disunity in the party. Right now, the news we're getting is that the court has halted the Minister of Transportation's 2023 presidential ambition, that is Amaechi Rotimi. Before we carry on, guys, please don't forget to like, share, and to subscribe. Thank you once again. The inclusive legal infractions rocking Rivers State chapter of the All Progressive Congress APC continues into 2021 and may mar the chances of the leader of the party in Rivers State being the serving Minister of Transportation, Right Honorable Chibuike Rotimi Amaechi, participating in the 2023 presidential primary election unless he complies to the Supreme Court of Nigeria judgment of 2020 concerning Ibrahim Umar and others, and Moses and 9 others who legitimately purchased forms for the election into the wards, local government area, and state congresses but were illegally stopped without issuance of forms paid for and thereby denied participation. A reporter who had been following up the Rivers State APC Chapter 2018 World Congresses and its litany of legal matters has it that it is grand norm that should Ibrahim Umar and Dele Moses and their co-party members loyal to distinguished Senator Magus Negi Abe participate in any delegate election, the incumbent Minister of Transportation, Chibuike Rotimi Amaechi, may not get support from those loyalists of Senator Magnus Abe. Otherwise, the question here is, what is Chibuike Rotimi afraid of? Should he allow Ibrahim Umar and others, including Dele Moses and 9 others? In the words of Barrister Wogu Booms, the court affirmed in what is now the cornerstone on which the agitation for internal democracy in APC Rivers rests, the right of Ibrahim Umar and several thousands of our party members who paid for forms but were denied the forms to participate in the congresses could not validly hold without their participation. In that judgment, the court described as stupid the approach and conduct of the leadership of the party in the matter, and that no one should expect to benefit from such. As it stands, the decision of the judgment of Supreme Court was in affirming the rights of the Ibrahim Umar and thousands of others remains unchanged and cannot ever be altered by anyone, no matter how highly placed, as the judgment of the Supreme Court, according to the Supreme Court itself, is for all time and for all ages. What is the way out of this doldrum, if one may ask? The former Attorney General and Commissioner for Justice during Chibuike Rotimi Amaechi's administration, Barrister Wogu Boom, said the rights of all the Ibrahim Umars who paid for the forms to contest for the congresses are preserved for as long as it takes to organize the congresses and until the congresses are validly held with their participation, unless they themselves decide not to participate. It is a decision that can never be academic. It will stand until it fulfills what it was decided for. Moreover, when the time comes, they will not need to pay for forms having previously paid for the same. It is worthy of note to enlighten citizens of Rivers State and APC members and their supporters the crux of this legal tussle. After the Supreme Court of Nigeria decided on Ibrahim Umar and others versus APC, among group comprising Dele Moses who paid for the forms for the same delegate congresses but were not issued, filed separate suits at a Port Harcourt High Court with declarative prayer that whenever the congresses are holding, that it should include only those of them who paid for the forms at the relevant period in 2018 in accordance to the party guideline as validly stated. Barrister Chris Wogu Boom stated thus: the learned trial judge, after hearing from Dele Moses and their aggrieved group, and after hearing from our party, the APC, represented by a senior advocate, agreed with Dele Moses and co. and granted them the reliefs exactly as sought. That is, only those who bought the forms at the relevant time would be the only ones validly to participate in the congresses whenever they would hold. It is this judgment of the Honorable Justice George Omereji, then of the High Court, now retired, that the APC appealed against. They did not like the judgment. They want those who didn't pay for the forms then to come now and pay and participate when, albeit they did not issue forms to the Dele Moses and Ibrahim Umars, who obeyed the party's guideline and showed interest in serving the party by paying as at when due according to the party guidelines. On Tuesday, 29th of December 2020, Appeal Court of Nigeria at its headquarters at Abuja ruled on the case of Dele Moses and 9 others versus APC, dismissed the appeal by APC, which is the appellant, that is those supporting the Minister of Transportation, Chibike Rotimi Amechi. The appeal court in its judgment said time for the appellant case to be heard had expired while upholding the preliminary objection of lawyers to Dele Moses. Appeal court stated that the notice of objection filed by the respondent, that is, Dele Moses' lawyer, challenging the jurisdiction of this court to adjudicate on the appellant's appeal is well-founded and is hereby upheld. In the words of the Court of Appeal judges, having found that this court has lost jurisdiction to adjudicate on the appellant's appeal since it emanated from a pre-election matter that ought to be determined within 60 days from the date of the judgment of the court, the appellant's appeal is hereby struck out for want of jurisdiction. Wow, Rotimi Amechi's 2023 presidential ambition is very at stake here. We know all of these political actors, when every move they make, even within their state chapter, we know that there are some hidden motive and hidden agenda. This battle within the Rivers APC has been ongoing. We recall that even Amechi was suspended at some point in time. It took the caretaker committee led by Mai Mala Bernie to overturn that suspension. So, but personal interest, the struggle for power, leadership of the party, and also personal interest in 2023 general election is eating up the whole party. But guys, we've heard it right now that the court is halting the transportation's 2023 presidential ambition right now as a result of all of this going on. Let's hear your take down below in the comment section. Thank you once again for staying tuned. Please don't forget to like, share, and to subscribe. Till I come your way again, bye for now, and God bless.